how to transform an old, dirty kid's cupboard. Look at this, it's really dirty now. Look at the side view too. Get ready, you are going to see the magic. Things required to make this. Let's get started. Old dirty look. New look. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.